Are your belly a rumble like thunder, so Titus?
No, sir. No must your own.
Oh, me? No, man. I know me, man.
Hey, Sleepy. Why a rich? He lucky. Why we wish you have half of them money?
You know, this is a fairy tale thing, that, man. Titus, we not sensible, man.
What do you mean fairy tale? So you don't believe that Tarzan and Superman and them brother there?
Them people, they're not real. Some mad nation business.
So hold on. If how Tarzan, Superman, and the rest of them brother they coming up show if them not real.
Just forget that.
Yeah, man. Argument hold you. You know it from money?
No. You?
No, since yesterday, man.
Why once miracle pass through unexpected and come collect partner money and catch me off guard, me I tell you, man. Me have to let off every cent. I'm still owe 2 months.
So kind of careless is that? You're not supposed to expect up on a day like Saturday.
Sure, man. You don't know it go, man.
She asked me?
Yeah. Hey, I used to true like how she did check me Friday now. Me duck her. Yeah, man. Me never expect that she would have double back so quick, you know, saying? Titus, she'll get tricky, you know.
Why me can't go near for me yard, you know? Not for the next couple of days, well. Until afterwards. Later night.
So you owe money too?
3 months. Me not pay none since me get partner job. Hey, me pickish bad, you know, man. Would I eat from a sore foot, man?
You can't hungry will make any honest man thief, me I tell you.
So you lose the gun and walk up on Mr. Johnson for good?
Why, Titus, you want to make mistake and spray Miss J. Roses them with the wrong chemical. Me use acid instead of fertilizer.
So you kill them?
Why, I spray them still, see them as smoke. You get that smoke.
Flowers. I smoke Sleepy.
Easy, man. It's when me done. A pure stock left, man.
Well, her husband would never forgive me for right off in bed. Them man they go on like them can't make mistake too.
Hey, Titus. What happened to the work where you were supposed to get on the construction site? And you should have started Monday.
Why, Miss Sal, bad luck, man.
Eh?
Me that go on so good. A 2 dozen do me hanging a one day, you know. The man they fire me.
A good production, that man.
Yeah.
So, why them fire you?
Now when them go try open the door them, that's one of them could have worked.
Really, man.
Well, nobody never tell me to use hinge, so me just nail them on.
Why, you dangerous. Eddie, what do US dollars we use to impress the girls?
So you think me eat breakfast yesterday morning?
You sell it?
When hungry bite me yesterday morning, sell it huh?
I think we should go back into the security business, you know.
No, me not cut off the security business. You see, after what happened to me in my bank, me no say me not cut off this business at all.
Well, when me done the correspondence course in the security business, me go back in it.
Wish you all the best. You're your top dog, M16. Hey, he come over yet?
Come home. The speed in which him left the bank, I doubt if him stop run yet.
Wow. No little hustling, no car, not done a buying a stadium.
Nothing, man, nothing. Pickings tin, man, tin bad.
You might as well sit down and make your belly go and harmonize.
Hey, Titus, that is it. That is it, Titus. Hey, we can go into the music business.
With your belly? You know, say hungriness can get to your head, but try control yourself.
No, it's not the belly this time, man. This is music, man. You can't sing?
Not so hot, but me can DJ a little. Me doing one
good, all right, good. Well, me can't sing, right? We're going for a little sing a DJ team. You know, like Thriller, you and Johnny P.
Me don't know you as no singer.
No, big singer still.
Tell you what. Tell me the idea again when my belly full.
This is the way to make sure we belly full every day, man. You see all them DJ wear enough car gonna drive up BMW and I take airplane like minibus. Them they can't get visa still.
Well, me not ready for people things.
And them the man they have girls like rice bread, me I tell you.
Girls?
About description, man. Just like we have earned enough money to fix up your mouth.
Yeah. If you tell the truth, you know, when me do that country, me write enough lyrics.
What? Right, me could try it then, no? Me going to strike up a vocal and you going to chip in with some lyrics.
Sleepy, me not in a mood, man.
Come Titus, man. Come on, me could go in night, man. You ready? All right. Listen to this, listen. You ready? I saw Mama kissing Santa Claus on the... Ready? Come down.
Chairman, do better than that.
What's
You know fi kiss up me, mama. You know fi kiss up me, mama.
Yeah, idiot.
Me never tell you say you know fi kiss up me, mama. No kiss up me, mama. No kiss up me, mama.
Yeah.
No kiss up me, mama.
Yeah. Underneath the apple tree last night.
Under the tree, he's a should drop in your head, drop in your head, drop in your head. Father, I should have bust up your head, bust up your head, bust up your head, bust up your head, make him bust up your head.
Yeah, man.
Oh, all right, go on.
I want to Ellie to the tree. If Mama did ever see Santa kissing, Mama kissing Santa Claus now.
Papa should have seen, Papa should have seen, Papa should have seen. Make him chop down the tree, chop down the tree. Chop down the tree, find you and she. Chop down the tree, chop down the tree, chop down the tree, chop down the tree.
Come follow me.
Where I go, Sleepy?
Wicked.
Fight me, you know, man.
So wicked, not true?
You really think so?
Yes, man. You just take my word for it, man.
Alright.
But we have a small problem now.
What that?
We need a manager.
So you're going to find out from Sleepy?
That is where I come in.
You?
Yeah, man. Me, when be the manager.
Alright. No problem. Chop down the tree. Chop down there.
Remember, the manager get more money. Remember that.
So hold on. So why me can't be the manager?
You have contract to get recording contract.
No.
You have contract to put on big stage show.
No.
Well, me have all of them the contact there.
You serious, Sleepy?
Yeah, man. Oh, me have a brethren who are a promoter brethren who are recruit a whole heap of young man to put them on a big stage show next month.
So you think he can get me in that?
Yes, man. No, you mean.
All right.
We can make sure so we get that,
Yeah,
man. But you know what, Tighty, we're going to have to go rehearse.
Yeah, man.
You're willing to work hard.
Oh, you mean, man? They know future this now.
Hey, you see, as of now, you're going to take orders from me. See? You're going to need a name.
M15.